Hi everybody, it's Matt here. You find me at home in the kitchen. Hope you're all okay and you're all staying safe. It's obviously a bit of a tricky one at the minute, but if we all stay positive, I'm sure that we'll all see each other very soon. Okay, so I've got a little recipe here. It's pretty simple, quick, and it's for something called Rocky Road Bites. Okay, so for this you will need some biscuits. So I've got about 13 biscuits here. I'm using digestives, but you can use rich tea or any other biscuit really. You will need some chocolate. So I'm using dark chocolate, and I've got about 200 grams here. I've got some mini marshmallows. There's about 100 grams here. I've got some butter, and that's 135 grams of butter. We're going to need some golden syrup, and just to make them that little bit healthier, some dried fruit. So I'm using dried cranberries, so just adds a nice little bit of texture to them. Okay, so when we're cooking, what's the first thing we've got to do? That's right, we've got to wash our hands, haven't we? So I'm just off to wash my hands. Lovely. Hands all washed and clean. So first thing, you're going to need an adult to help you with this. So I've got a pan of hot water here, so I need to melt my chocolate. Let's do this. Right, I'm just going to tip the chocolate in. Okay, turn up the heat a little bit. Okay, we can just give them a little bit of a stir, just to give them a helping hand. Okay. Like I say, you might need an adult just to help you with this bit here. But you can sort of see already it's starting to melt. Okay, turning from a solid into a liquid. So next, I'm going to crush my biscuits. Just break them up, just like so. Okay, so that's my biscuits, all nicely crushed. Okay, just give that a bit of a stir. Okay, I'm just going to add the butter now to the chocolate. Okay, so that's the chocolate. So, ooh, look at that, beautiful. So that's all nicely melted. Okay, so I'm just going to take that off the heat now, but obviously be very careful because the bowl's still hot. So you will need an adult to help you with this. Look at all that steam. There we go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bung in the biscuits. Yeah, just give it again, just give it a nice stir. Marshmallows go in too. Okay, look at that, lovely. Some dried fruit. Just put some of those in. There we go. Now I'm going to add golden syrup. Go in there, nice like that. Look. Lovely. And then we're just going to give it a good old mix. Just make sure it's all coated with chocolate. Okay, so that's looking pretty good now. Everything's covered with chocolate. So now I'm just going to pop it into a tin, like so, which I've lined with some cling film. So I'm just going to pour it all in. Like I say, this is really easy. Just whack it all in. Might even be a bit left over. Let's have a look. Put it all into the corners. Get that last bit. Okay, so here we go. Make sure it's all into the corners like so. How good does that look? Okay, so I'm just going to cover it with cling film. So it's just a little bit easier to get out when it's all nicely set. So I'm going to pop that in the fridge for 3 hours, maybe 4. Okay. So pop it in the fridge. Okay, in good old Blue Peter fashion. Here's some I made earlier. Let's have a look. Here we go. There it is. Nice and set. I'm going to put it out onto this board here. And then I'm going to get a knife. There we go. And there you have it. Rocky Road Bites. Give it a go, guys. Send us in any photos or any videos that you want to. So, enjoy.